Good day. Uncle Deke here, Dick Gibson. I want to tell you about something, we all learn from things we do, sometimes mistakes, sometimes not. And I had these tires, wheels, that I got on my new Flex Cessna 170. The problem is, in my mind, number one, they're too hard because they're solid. They're not a rubber tire. They're really solid. So I was looking for the alternative for these. So my alternative was to go to the DuBro air-filled tire. So I realized these tires were awful heavy. I flew the plane a couple times with them, and there was a noticeable difference because they're a lot softer. You can see. Okay, let's see how heavy they are. Let's zero this out. Okay, they're 641 grams for the two of them, and that's 22.5 ounces. That's a lot. That's a pound and a half, pound and 3/4, okay? That's a lot of weight to put on your plane, any plane. So then I thought, let's go to these are 6-inch. I thought, let's go to the 5-inch. Okay, these are the same DuBro air-filled tires. These are 5-inch wheels. These are 456 grams, 457 grams, and that's 16.19 ounces. In other words, that's a pound right there. That's a pound of weight that's really not doing anything most of the time. Then, a friend of mine told me about the KaVan Tires. K-A-V-A-N. I think it's KaVan. And these are sold by SIG Manufacturing in Montezuma, Iowa. SIG's been around forever and ever and ever. It's a family organization that make great model airplanes. And they were really supportive when I called them and ordered these. Okay, so I had discovered after putting the 5-inch DuBros on my Cessna 170 that it was a lot better. I don't need those great big ones, but still pretty heavy. So I ordered the KaVan tires from SIG. They're still an air-filled tire. They still use the same valve that you use in the DuBro, and it comes with it. And you put it on a basketball, football tire pump, and you can put air in them, or you can let them out, or just keep them where you make them any way you want, depending on the weight of your plane. And it screws in there. It's a one-way valve in there. You put the air in, you unscrew real quick, and it stays. Okay. Same way the DuBros work. Now, this is the stunning part of this video. Here's two 5-inch ones, the same size, the same width. Okay, let's measure these. Be ready to be surprised. 134 grams. That's 4.65 ounces for the two of them. Or in other words, 65 grams apiece. That's pretty amazing. And that's 2.6 ounces, I think, is what it is. Absolutely amazing. The other thing about these, I had to drill out the DuBro wheels to get them to fit my 5mm axles. The KaVans come with these inserts, and they come with a 5mm one and a 6mm one. This is what they look like right here. They just snap into there. That's a 6mm one for each side, and really a neat deal. Didn't have to drill out anything. Okay, so I just wanted to show you about the KaVan tires. They're still as rubbery and bouncy as the DuBros with much less weight. So if weight is a concern, think about the KaVans from SIG Manufacturing. I got the DuBro tires from Motion RC. Motion RC, very good. They came right away. The price is very reasonable. Side note is that the KaVan tires are a little bit more expensive. About $10 a pair more than the 5-inch DuBros. But for me, the weight I think is more important. You don't need to carry around any weight you're not really using except for to take off and land. So think about that. KaVan. Actually made in Germany, by the way. Pretty cool. Little helpful hint from Uncle Deke. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Keep learning. That's what it's all about. Uncle Deke out.